Hello everyone, here is the Ridge Gourd Chutney recipe. Clean the Ridge Gourd of around 400 grams, scrape off the outer layer and chop it into pieces. In a frying pan, add 10 ml oil, fry 10 green chillies or adjust as per your spice ability, 2 5 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seed and 1 chopped onion one by one. Then goes the chopped tomato and fry until it turns soft and mushy. To make it soft, add 1 tablespoon turmeric and salt to taste. And finally the soaked half lemon sized tamarind. Fry for an additional 3 to 4 minutes and at last add a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Then switch off the flame and let the contents cool down. Now is the seasoning part. In a separate Tadka pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, let it pop, and then goes 1 tablespoon cumin seed and a tablespoon of urad dal and chana dal and 2 to 3 red chillies, 5 to 6 curry leaves and a few coriander leaves. Now blend the fried vegetables which are cooled down into a smooth paste and then add the prepared seasoned tadka to the blended paste of rich gourd and other ingredients. Here is your flavorful rich gourd chutney which is ready to be served. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.